Hi guys, my name is Jemmy and today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate your BMI, which is how fat you are.
お前はもう死んでいる。何
So the way to calculate it is actually pretty simple. Let us name our subject first, BMI. And then how to calculate it is to have your weight that is in kilogram form, and then divided by your height, which is in your which is in meter form, times your height. So it's gonna look something like this at the end. So basically what you do is get your height times height and then divide it by your weight, and then it's your BMI. So yeah, let's get right into it. And we're going to put inputs into this so that they can enter their own weight and height. So let's get started. So the first process is to get the input in. Okay, so there's going to be input, and we're going to ask them to enter your weight here, like this. And then after that, what you do is you go, wait, no, and then you enter your weight as a kilogram form right here, enter your weight here, and then something like that. Then they're going to enter their weight. And how about let's just put this as a variable as H. No, H is for height, for W. Okay. And since we're going to put this along with an integer, we need to change this to an integer too. So what you should do is get another parentheses around this input, and outside you put int, and behind this you put another parentheses like this, and then now you converted this into integer. It's not a string anymore, it's now an integer. So yeah, after that, let's get your height. Height equals to integer, same thing, input, and then another parentheses, enter your height here. And then remember to put height as meter so that we know like centimeter or meter. Actually, you know what? How about let's just do centimeter, because then we can still convert it. So enter your centimeter of the height here, and there we go. That's how they'll enter their height and weight. Okay, after that, what you do is you get your height to convert into a centimeter. So, I mean, convert your height from a centimeter to a meter. So how would you do that? Is H equals to H divided by 100, which means that right here you can see H is equal to their centimeter of their height, and then H divided by H is going to equal to H divided by 100, which would equal to the meter. So centimeter divided by 100 equals to the meter. There we go. After that, we're going to get the BMI. So BMI equals to the width, which is the weight, and then divided by height times, where's times here? Times height. And as you can see, we want height times height first and then weight, right? But then if we go like this, it's going to be weight divided by height, then times height. So we won't want that. So in order to do that, we need to put parentheses. As I said earlier, orders of operations. Here we are. And after this is the output. So we print the BMI, which print BMI. There you go. Now it gets your BMI. So let's pretend 60, right? 60, 155, and this would be your BMI. It's pretty simple, guys. It's a short video. How long is it? Just 4 or 5 minutes. So it's not that much. It's pretty simple. It's like, I'm not sure if what a BMI is used for. Let me just search it up. How about that? Okay. what do you need? Why do you need BMI? Why do you need BMI, or what is BMI? Your BMI is a measurement that is a ratio of your weight and height. It's a good way to gauge whether your weight is in a healthy proportion to your health. In fact, knowing your BMI can help you and your GP determine any health risks. So it's for your health, basically, guys. If you know your BMI, you whether know you're fat, you're skinny, or you're good, as you can see, is in healthy proportion to your height. So whether you're healthy or not, and any risks you might have. So another question: what is a bad BMI? If your BMI is under 18.5 kilograms, you are considered underweight and possibly malnourished, which means that you aren't fed well enough. And then this one, 18.5 to 24.9 kilograms, you are within healthy weight of range for young and in middle-aged adults. And then 25 to 29 kilograms, you're considered overweight. Okay, so yeah, that's BMI. So now, since we know what it's used for, I think we can use that for a bunch of other stuff. So if you want to see whether your health in good shape, or you need to fatten up, or go on a diet, then you just calculate your BMI and then look in this website or something, and then you'll see whether you're in good shape or you're a little overweight. So yeah, see you in the next video of Python. Bye for now.